Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Apple iPad, 9th generation with A13 Bionic chip. All the essentials in the most affordable iPad, with a beautiful 10.2-inch Retina display, powerful A13 Bionic chip, and an ultra-wide front camera with center stage. Work, play, create, learn, stay connected, and more. Number 2. Apple iPad, 10th generation with A14 Bionic chip. Colorfully reimagined and more versatile than ever, iPad is great for the things you do every day. With an all-screen design, 10.9-inch liquid Retina display, powerful A14 Bionic chip, super-fast Wi-Fi, and 4 gorgeous colors, iPad delivers a powerful way to create, stay connected, and get things done. Number 3. Apple iPad, 10.2-inch, Wi-Fi, 32GB, space gray. Gorgeous 10.2-inch Retina display, A10 Fusion chip, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi 5. 8MP back camera, 1.2MP FaceTime HD front camera, stereo speakers. Lightning connector for charging and more compatible accessories. Number 4. Apple iPad Pro 13-inch. iPad Pro is the ultimate iPad experience in an impossibly thin and light design. Featuring the breakthrough Ultra Retina XDR display, outrageous performance from the M4 chip, super-fast wireless connectivity, and compatibility with Apple Pencil Pro. Number 5. Apple iPad Mini, 6th generation with A15 Bionic chip. The full iPad experience designed to fit in one hand. With an 8.3-inch liquid Retina display, powerful A15 Bionic chip, 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage, USB-C connectivity.